This is passion in nature, huh? My name is Capone, and I'm here today. This for free, telling you about Lake Farm products. What we do, we show you for free. You don't have to go and buy your flower pots, right? Once you have some paint, you can do this here, okay? These are these are tires. Tires. You can go to the tire shop. You ask them for tires. They give it to you for free, okay? And make sure when you're going to paint, you use this type of paint. Here is it. Okay. What kind of paint you use? Very good paint. Porch and patio floor paint, okay? Any color you need it. This is a tire. Any color you want. I'm gonna paint this tire here in green. So match my decor. Okay. Got a tomato tree in there already. Okay. Flowers pots are so expensive. And the difference when you plant your trees into a pot is much better because the nutrients stay in the pot. When the rain comes, it doesn't wash away. Okay? That's why it grows better in the pot more than you put it in the ground. I'm going to show you the magic about putting your plants in pots. My yard right here is concrete. The land space is very small. The reason why the house take up all land space, huh? We're in Florida, Plantation, Florida. That's where I live. This is my house here, and foods are so expensive nowadays. You have to plant your own, huh? Plant your own, believe me. When you plant your own, you save a lot of money. A lot of money you save. And now, this color here, beautiful. It's matched with the decor of the plant. The plants are green. You don't have to go and buy these expensive pots. A pot like this would run around $160. And in a year or two, they crystallize and you go throw it in the garbage, right? This tire can serve you for the next 15 years or more. If you want to change the color, you change the color. Right? See? That's it. You don't have to buy these pots. They are free. The tire man at the tire shop, they would gladly come and pick up some, all of them. It's for free. Any tire shop you go, it's for free. See how beautiful it is? Any color you need. It's so fast, it doesn't take 5 minutes. Huh? Great. Okay. Yeah. Great. The dust out here, huh? Yeah. Okay, great. That's number one. Okay. You can see how beautiful it is. It didn't take 5 minutes to make a nice pot, right? Tomato. See? Yeah. I make my own uh, mulch. I'll show you how you to do it. If you want, you could order it from me. You know, in the United States here. See how beautiful it is? Okay. Another tire here. Over here, you could see here. See? This one here of tomatoes in here. Beautiful tomatoes, see? See, a tire, see? Beautiful tomatoes. See? And you could use another tire on top of another one. Okay? Depends how large the tree is. You could put a tire. This is one tire. The second one here. If you plant a big tree, you could stack it up another one, okay? Planting yam, you go another. Any size you want, you could make it. But you have more larger tires than these anyhow. Okay. See a tomato here? Tomato. Okay. That's so good. Now we have over here mango tree. Blossoming, see? This is a Julie. We're 2 times already. So you have it's blossoming now, or your flowers. Look, see? Same pot. See? And this Julie tree bear 2 times already. See? Flowers, see? Flowering, right? You see, when you plant plants in a pot, you can determine how large do you want that plant, okay? Yes. Depends the size pots you are using, okay? But this place is concrete, and you can see it's concrete. Look, the whole space is gone, you know. It's limited, so use pots to make all my plants, okay? And this is a dragon fruit. See the pot? See? Dragon fruit. Okay, oh no! Sweet potatoes. In America, I call it yam, right? And this is into a bag, okay? But the tires is much better. When I came out with these tires, I would say invented then this idea already planted in the bags, okay? See how nice it is? Sweet potato, okay? This is the bag, see? Okay? And it bears so much. In 4 months, look at this. You have potatoes. Look at this, big potatoes. Big potatoes, look, see? Big, huge potatoes. Yeah? Now over here again. Sweet potatoes. You can see. They're coming out the ground because this whole bag packed of sweet potatoes right now. And when you're ready to reap it, just cut the bag, everything rolled out. But now we're going to just use tires because it must grow much better than tires. Okay? Look at it. These are concrete, pure concrete. Okay? This is dragon fruit again in pot. See, a pot like this costs around $85. $85. A tire don't cost you nothing. A pin of paint, 1 gallon of paint will paint around 50 pots, 50 tires. Okay, yeah. And these pots, you don't sell that in a year or two. That's it. Pretty garbage. Okay. Tires for 10, 15 years. Dragon fruit. And this is rosemary in pots. And rosemary. Rosemary. And this is tomato again in the pot. I have to paint these pots. Tomatoes. Yeah. This tomato was like a week old. It was like 3 inches, and now, hey, that is almost 12 inches now, huh? Because what happens when you use your dirt and manure in there, mixed with dirt mixed with manure, I'm going to show you how to make it, or if you want to order it from me. No problem, huh? When the rain falls, it doesn't wash away. Everything stays inside that pot. Okay? This is orange. Okay? This authentic orange. See? The orange there. Okay? In the pot. This beer last year. See? That pot, huh? A size pot like this, $180 to get a size pot like this. This serves 10, 15 years, no problem. Any color you need it, that's what you do, paint it, huh? Concrete, huh? See, concrete, okay? You can move it around if you want. Okay? This also grapefruit. Well, this was before I have the idea of making my pots out of tire. This is wood. It's going to deteriorate, so I have to put the tires around this. I find some way to put tire around this because it must neither, you know. It must neither, see? It's a grapefruit here. And see what happens. Look at this. Fruits. Fruits, see? Grapefruits right here. Okay. There's a mango tree here, bear twice in a pot. See? Mango tree in the pot, see? When you plant your food at your house, it's much safer because these food that you're buying out there, it's full of chemicals. Give you cancer, it blind you. Imagine, you put down some of those spray, what you buy at those places to spray your place to kill the bugs and things like that. What happened? Your dog made a mistake and go around it. Kill the dog. I see my neighbor dog die because she sprayed the lemongrass and the dog went to eat the grass and the dog died. And you eat that, it must kill you, right? Yeah. The dog died. I said, whoa. So I made my own spray. You know? Look this again. This is sweet potatoes. Higher. This size double. I painted it in green because it matched my decor. Here it goes again. You got potatoes in here. See? This pot full of potatoes. Look. The beer, it doesn't ready as yet, maybe in a month. See? A sweet potato. Big, huge, see? Huge, see? Go here, there. Huge. Another one here. Yeah. Huge. It's weigh around 3 pounds. Sweet potato, look, it doesn't ready as it. See? It grows much better in the pot because the mulch stay inside there, okay? You don't use fertilizer, okay? What I do, I use Epsom salt mixed with geese manure, okay? It's hard to get geese manure. Yeah, peacock, I'm sorry, peacock and geese, the two of them. Peacock and geese together. You mix them and look at that. Beautiful fruits, eh? No chemical. Sweet potato. This is pomegranate. Pomegranate. There's a dust out here, killing me. Okay. Pomegranate, see? See? In the tire. In the tire, right? You can, to make your spray, you can use pepper. You can use Scotch bonnet pepper or cayenne pepper. The real pepper now, not the one you buy in the bottle. You want to buy the real pepper. You crush it and you mix it with vinegar. And you put it down to ferment it for a month, 4 weeks. But believe me, when you use it, you have to cover your face because it's like a tear gas. And that's natural, there's no chemical, it's natural, no chemical. You could give a baby to eat. The only pepper would burn the baby, you know? There's nothing to worry about. It is pepper and vinegar, right? Pepper and vinegar. Just spray your tree. See, beautiful. Leave them all. Pepper and vinegar. No chemical. Don't use fertilizer on your plants. Fertilizer is very dangerous. My background, I'm a chemist. Okay? Fertilizer deteriorates your intestine, also crystallize your bones. Fertilizer is chemical. Don't use no fertilizer. If you want to order the natural, organic mulch from me, yes. Anywhere in America you are, I send it to you. Okay? Mango tree here, the pot, see? Okay. This is elderberry, not a fruit. Elderberry, yeah. I'm gonna put this pot into the tires, yes. Yeah, elderberry, very nice fruit. You can Google it, you see elderberry, yeah? Okay. Lot of dust. The reason why I use tires, right? It is so great. The way the tire builds, you could see it, look. If you look on this, water, okay? See? If you forgot to water your plants 2 or 3 days, you don't have to worry. You know why? It contains water in the side of the tire. See? The water. See? You're going to fill this tire with dirt. You put dirt in there. And when you put dirt in there with the mulch, you're going to stay wet. Water, see it? Water. That's the good thing about it. That means if you forgot to water your plant is safe for a day or 2 or 3. You're good, huh? Because it's always damp here, and the dirt always damp, okay? That's why tires, I invent then this idea of using a tire, and my plants and my fruits come so fast. Yes. This is Florida. Florida is semi-tropical. Florida is not 100% tropical like Jamaica or the Caribbean, Barbados, and places like those. Okay, I'll tell you that. So you have to help the plant, okay? You have to help it. Most of Florida land is sand. When you put your mulch and dirt in this tire here, when the rain falls, it's not going nowhere. The tree, only for the tree alone, it hasn't no way of washing out. That's it. So you stay there, okay? Then you have water in there at all times. That's a trick, okay? And this is a very good invention because this tire here have water. When you plant your stuff in there and wet it up, or hose it down, it's always wet, right? Remember now, water every day as you can, okay? But if you forgot a day or two, you have no problem because in Florida here, it's very hot. I'm in Plantation, Florida, okay? That's where I am right now, that's where I live. Okay, this is a mango tree here in a pot, okay? Mango tree in a pot, see? See? This mango tree bear, got a blossom. Okay, got a blossom. Right, bear, right here. Well, this is avocado. In Jamaica, they call it a pear. It's avocado here into a pot again. This avocado bears so much. Look at this. Fruits on the ground. Look. On the ground. Look at this. Fruits on the ground. Hmm? On the ground. Hmm? The fruits. Avocado. Look. Avocado. I mean, it's bare crazy. In a pot. Avocado. Avocado. Avocado, see? Right up. Avocado. The whole tree of avocado. Again, the peacock manure. You can order it from me if you want. I'll mix it with grease. I'll add some salt. If you can do it yourself, great. If you can't, call me, 954-309-246. Name is Capone, 954-309-2426. You can call me on WhatsApp or regular, no matter, huh? Okay. This is a Neesberry. Neesberry beer once, beer four in a pot. Yes. See? Look at this. Neesberry, sapodella. Okay. Sapodella. Yeah. Yeah. I will take it out, put it in the tire. Okay. Beautiful. No fertilizer. I make my own mulch, my own organic nutrient. Fertilizer kills. Kills. Yes. The spray what you use kills. When your baby born, your baby have 4 feet or 4 hands, sometimes 4 eyes, because those chemicals is dangerous, but they don't tell us. But guess what? I'm a chemist. I know. This is dragon fruit again. I'm going to put it in tires. See, ready to go. Okay. This is cherry, Barbados cherry, in pot again. Barbados cherry. In pot. This is concrete, right? See? Remind it's concrete. I see cherries here. Cherries. Cherry. cherry in the pot, right? Everything I plant bear fruit because I use the geese and the peacock mulch together with Epsom salt. Okay? See a ripe one here, a ripe cherry here. See? The ripe cherry here. This is a ripe one here. Yeah. Ripe. Great. Some here. Cherry. All natural, huh? No fertilizer, no chemical, huh? You live longer, or you live a better life. You don't get sick. Well, this is Jamaican plum, called cauliflower Chinese plum. When the leaf drop off, it's going to start to blossom, okay? All who know about it, that's the way it is. Yes, see, start blossom here already. Little blossom here, you can hardly see it. It's very, yeah. Wow, yeah. When you leaves them off, that's when it blossom and bear. Yeah. Now, another pot now. A pot. See? This is a custard apple. Custard apple. A sweet sap sugar apple, a sweet sap family. See? Big fruits here. Big fruits, huh? See? And yes, soon, maybe another 2 weeks, this one ripe. Another one here. Yeah. Some in the tree there. What another cut in the grass, man. That thing is killing me. Look at this now. Well, this is on the way to ripe. This is a big one here. Oh, yeah. Whoa, gonna ripe in another day or two. Whoa, this weigh around 3 pounds. Yeah. Custard apple, huh? Yeah. No chemical. No chemical. Yeah. Homegrown. Do not go to those establishments and buy those poison, okay? Poison, just like we're doing in my country, Jamaica. They're using down there, spray down there, pesticide to kill insects, and the fruits down there, and food, and those chemicals banned from the 60s. I don't know where they get it from down there. Let me say it again. In Jamaica, where I know about, where we're from, they are using those poison down there. And their fruits and vegetables, those things are banned and they use it. Hell, I don't know where they get it from. This is our fruits here, see? So all those things make you blind. Don't give you all kind of ailments. You live in hell. Yeah? Custard apple, huh? Okay. In the pot again. Just remaining in the pot. In the pot. See it? In the pot. In the pot. Because when you plant your plants or whatever you put in the pot, guess what? That nutrient not going nowhere. It's still right in the pot. So it go right in the tree, okay? Good, okay? Yeah. This is another pomegranate. Yeah. Yeah. But this one is in the ground. See, not doing well. See? In the ground. Not doing well. See, the other one around there, better because in the pot. Hmm? In the ground, not doing well. These are black mint. Black mint, beautiful. See? Black mint. And this now is from India. You put in your curry. Yes. This make tea. Believe me, I don't remember the name. This one little plant comes from India. Someone bring it for me in your pocketbook. And I catch it. And my God, what a glory. Okay, tomato here again. See young one here? Young one. See? Little one come up, young one. In the pot. In the pot, huh? In the pot. Tomato again in the pot, see? See all these mulch here, not going nowhere. Not going to go here. See, you use your regular dirt, what you have mixed up with the geese manure and peacock manure. You gotta make sure it's dry now. But if it don't dry, it will burn the plant. It's a bit dry with Epsom salt. And this is miracle fruit. Miracle fruit is from Africa. Okay? It's for diabetes. People have diabetes. Very good. Very unusual fruit. I see one fruit here, I see one here. Just finish just harvest, yeah. You can Google it. Miracle fruit, huh? Okay. It's a papaya in the ground, see? You don't do well in the ground. Nope. In the tire, so I put it in the tire. These are the curry tree from India. See? All these is from the way I plant them. Look at this. Curry tree from India. I have a lot. So call me if you want to plant. I send it to you, 954-309-2426. On my email address, lakefarmproducts@hotmail.com. LAKEFARMPRODUCTS. Okay? At hotmail.com. Lakefarmproducts@hotmail.com. Here another. Now this is the red dragon fruit. Okay, this beer already. The beer again. The pot. I'm gonna put this in a tire. See? Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is longan. A lychee or a lychee family. It's gonna blossom now, see? It's gonna start to blossom. See, pick up this leaf here? Yeah. Okay. This is a brown one, longan. And this is lychee. Okay. Lychee. See? There's some up there. You see closer here. This is red, lychee. See? They turn red when they're ready. Somewhere in maybe another month. See? Lychee or lychee, whatever you call it. See? See a whole lot up there in the tree. A lot. Okay, this is the mulch I make with the geese manure and peacock with Epsom salt. That's why these trees look so healthy. Pineapple entire. Pineapple. See? Pineapple entire. See? No chemical. See? Mm? Entire. So tree healthy because there's no way when the rain falls it's gonna wash away. It stay right there. If you look, see fruits. That's the geese, peacock, and Epsom salt. And this is onion. You plant the onion right now. See? This is the dirt I scrape up from here. See? Dirt right here. See dirt, sandy. You don't have to go and buy no dirt from wrong way. You don't have to do that. Then you mix it with this. Okay? Geese, peacock, Epsom salt. That's it. See? Go buy those dirt, save a lot of money. Not those establishment. Now, so plant my onion. Yeah. Okay, so this is onion. Onions. Yeah. Okay. Right in your yard. Okay. You don't have to go and buy nothing. You have everything here. Mm-hmm. Hmm? This is onions. Yes. My mango tree. This mango tree is this plant is from Jamaica, from my hometown, St. Elizabeth. They call it robin mango. Robin mango, robin. Huh? Mango, robin mango. No fertilizer, see? The mangoes on it, yeah? Mangoes. Yeah. Mango. Yeah. Geese, peacock, Epsom salt at the roots. So beautiful. It's green, young. Yeah. A lot more in the top blossom up there, if you can see. Yeah. This is my coconut tree here. Here. Coconut tree. See my coconut tree? Here. You can see coconut up there, right? Here. Then we can zoom it in. Oh. Okay. Okay. The coconut on the ground here. Coconut on the ground. Here. Yeah, you top off a tree, see? This land space is very small, but we make way. See, everything is concrete, see? Concrete. Concrete, see? That's why I use pot. Concrete. Okay. This is another tie off here. Okay. I'm gonna plant this pepper tree here. This is a pepper tree, Scotch bonnet pepper. Put it right here. Whoa, there's a pepper here. Yeah. You're gonna paint this pot, paint this when it look good. Okay. In another 2 weeks, it's bearing already because I put the geese manure on it. My God, look at that. See, young pepper. Young pepper. Young pepper. Sweet potato again in the bag. Pineapple in the ground. Avocado. So small these trees. Beer. See? Avocado. Little dirt here, see? Little dirt. Because the house is big, so it take up the whole land. You know? It's right beside the house here, you know? See? Avocado. The whole tree is loaded. The geese manure with okay. And this tree would not bear until I start to use the geese manure. Okay. It's loaded. Yeah. You throw it to the root, but what you have got to do, you have to dig around the root and sprinkle it around the root. Okay. Look at this. This is a soursop. First it bearing because I did not put the geese manure around it. I bear now. Okay? First. All of them bearing. You got to dig around the root here. This is a tree here. You have to dig around the root. Dig on the root, see? Then you put manure there. Manure here. Look at the tree. See the tree? Here. You're going to see fruits now. See? Fruits. See? Fruits. Fruits, see? The beer. You have fruits all over this tree here. Sour sap. See? It's all over this tree. Sour sap. This one right here. Sour sap here. Sour sap, see? Some of the top of the tree here, but you can't see them because the leaf is so green and beautiful, and the sour sap, the fruit itself green, so you can hardly see it. No? Up in the top there. So if your sour sap cannot bear, sometimes it blossom, right? And they dropped off, they fell off. When it blossom, it have no nutrient, no iron, no zinc, no potassium. So they bloom and they drop off. And guess what? You get nothing. Now you know what to do. Geese, Epsom salt, peacock. See? Beautiful sour sap, huh? Yes. And believe me, I'm so pleased. See my sour sap tree them loaded all over. See? All over. See? All over. Because it's sandy down in Florida here. And this is cashew. It's a cashew tree. See it blooming there? See? Blooming. Cashew, blooming. It's blooming all over. Cashew, see? All over. Okay, this is the curry tree from India. It's a large tree, this. See? Yes. You can drink tea, you can make a tea, put it in your chicken, beef, pork, whatever you're doing, soup, whatever. Believe me, it is very, very, very unusual, you know. I never see no one have it here in America. Even in Jamaica, I don't see it there. It's from India. So if you want to plant, text me. I'm sorry, you can text 954-309-2426. Okay? Or an email, it is lakefarmproducts@hotmail.com with the S. Jackfruit. Pick up the last one, last week. Okay? This tree bear, it bear so early. It bear around 4. Yeah. Jackfruit. None of it now. Oh, so like a small one up here. Like a young one right here. Like a young one here. Yeah. This is Aki tree. Aki. Aki, yeah. Beer like 4 or 5 times for the year. Yeah. Dragon fruit again. It's a larger tree. This is a red one. Dragon fruit. But when you plant a dragon fruit, you have to put another one, 2 species. You have the red, you have different species of dragon fruit. You have the red, you have the yellow, you have the white. So if you get a red one, make sure you plant another color beside it. So pollinate, okay? They bloom at night, and the bees doesn't fly at night. So you have to plant another one beside it. And it will bear. They bloom, but it drops off. It doesn't do that. So what I'm saying to you, if you have a yellow one, make sure you put another one beside it so they can pollinate each other, okay? You just have a white, they're not going to say nothing. Blue one drop off, okay? This is Julie. Julie mango. Yeah. Julie. Julie. Julie here. The blossom bloom again, huh? See, it's blooming again. 3 times a year. All these trees here is just what? Geese. So what's up? Look at this. So what's up? So what's up, huh? See a bear? See? So what's up? Wouldn't be unless I put those things on her. Some more sauce up here. Over here. Sauce up all over. I got so many sauce up this year, man. I don't sell them, I give them away. Mango, this tree is mango tree from Spain. See, mangoes from Spain. Yeah. Mango. Yeah. Sasha, what's up? What's going on? Huh? Hello? Sasha? My cat. Hmm? Look here. Look here, Sasha. Look here. What happened? Yeah. Yeah, mangoes. The mangoes. Mangoes. See? Mango here. This is banana. Banana here. Yeah, very healthy tree. Pineapple again. Pineapple. And this is a nata. A nata. See? From Jamaica. Yeah. A nata. You could see inside here. Take it to cook with. Nice taste. They use the green one. You know, the ladies, when I was a kid, the ladies used it for lipstick. Yeah, you couldn't afford to buy a lipstick, so they use it. But now they cook with it, put on your meat. That's a dry one. It's a green one here. The green one here. Put your finger here. See your finger turn red, you see? It turn red. See my finger turn red? See? Yeah. Have a very good smell. Woo! Yeah, another. Breadfruit. The mother tree over here. There's a mother tree here. This beer over 100 last year. Beer over 100 breadfruit last year. See? What they use on the root? Geese. Peacock. Yeah. Those large trees, see? Over 100 get last year. This is yellow heart, look. Beautiful. Breadfruit tree, yeah. This is a plum. This is a plum tree with plum on them. Plum. Jamaican plum called cooler plum, Chinese plum, whatever they call it. The plum on them. The plum. Soursop again. See a huge one here. The soursop. It's huge. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This soursop tree is a tall one here. Going on a ladder. Soursop all over here. Soursop, yeah.